I'm Ines Simpson. I'm creator of the Simpson protocol. And this is Joachim Lee. He is a trainer in SP. But what we're going to do is we're going to put on a self-hypnosis workshop to deep states. Now, you tell them what that constitutes.
Well, in deep state, in essence, what's going to happen if everyone knows that in using SP, we're going to take you to deep states where you'll be connecting to your superconscious mind. And when you're tapping to your superconscious mind, awesome things happen, where even things you do not know you have, the issues you had that is blocking you. In deep states of Simpson protocol, your superconscious mind, it taps into that part of your mind, tap into that part of that ability to heal, to grow, and to make changes at a deeper level of self and states. And I must tell you, the outcomes I'm experiencing with my clients has been so awesome, Ines. And it's just, I can't wait to do it with you together to help people to go to that deep state using the Simpson protocol.
You know, I think it's quite funny because most people that come to our self-hypnosis workshops so far are interested in SP as a learning tool. So they're checking out how it works. But you don't get the full meal deal in 4 hours.
Mm-hmm.
So it's good for regular people who don't want to, even if you've never been in hypnosis before, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how you want it done. It'll work for you.
And what I like about it is that in this half-day workshop we're going to do together, is people will learn how to bring themselves into that state of deep state hypnosis, and using that as the starting point to make changes for themselves, for sleep, for better recovery or whatever. So it's like not becoming a trained Simpson protocol practitioner, but literally just learning the basic tools that they can automatically, immediately go into deep state. And when I did with one of my clients just 2 weeks ago, I mean, for her it was so amazing. She said, wow, I mean, I can just learn it so quickly. And I said, yeah, you do it yourself now. And she's been using it now for her sleep. And she said, I can never fall asleep. And just using that, okay, just tell your superconscious mind to take you to sleep. And that's what happened to her. And she fell asleep in my session. I said, isn't it perfect? First time you could sleep so comfortably in a stranger's room, in a strange chair, not even a bed.
Yeah, it's funny. And they can do it for anything. They don't have to, if it's pain, if it's general, an issue with something not functioning right in the body, anything at all. Mm-hmm. And I think that's what I like. I really like, I had about 14 in the last workshop. I was trying for 10. I know I didn't get the shut down quickly enough, but I like to have only around 10 people in there. So yes, you can say, okay, what do you want to have and what do you want to, and you try and get everybody in, and the other guys go in with the one who's having the issue, and they find they get the same results with them. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and they've got the tool for life. They know how to do self-hypnosis forever to the deep part of themselves.
And the beautiful part in that is that they learn it so quickly, right? Unlike traditional way of learning, it's like you get that kind of full workshop and then slowly deepen your state, and slowly you get the hang of it. With SP, you go there so quickly. So that's the beautiful part of the Simpson protocol. So we want 10 people. And it's how much are we spending on this 4.5 hours? Or I mean 3.5 hours? Yes, it's less than 200 per participant. Okay. Yes. The details we can find it in our website or on the Facebook, which I'll put a link later on.
Yeah, we'll put it down below. Put the link on there. Everybody can access it. It's not a lot of money, and it's worth a lot.
It's cheaper than going to see a doctor if you want to work on an issue.
Yeah. Okay, so anybody can walk in that day, and just doesn't matter how good they are at it initially. They know how it is, and they can adapt very quickly.
Well, I mean, I would say that this is an opportunity where you don't experience just one, but two of us in learning to do self-hypnosis using the Simpson protocol. So imagine
Oh, yeah.
one price for two,
Yeah.
two for the
Two
price
for
of one.
one.
Yeah, two for one. And imagine, I'm not being naughty in that's even probably deeper states.
Oh, yes.
Deeper
Well,
SP. Yeah.
we'll teach them what we can teach them in 3.5 hours.
2.5 hours, yes.
And the link will be below. Thank you. Yeah.
So this training will be held live online and in the comfort of your room, safety of the room, in being just in your beautiful room. We'll be working live online, and this is a training specifically for those in Southeast Asia, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Thailand, or even if you want to any part of the world where together live online, we're going to learn the different states of hypnosis using the SP, tapping on your superconscious mind and learning this ability of a triggers. Guess what? We can then learn different things together. And when time permits or when situation permits, we can even do it face to face. But the beauty is done online in the comfort, safety of your own room and house.
So I must say that it will be a very good thing if they know ahead of time that I have to see their hands and face in the picture.
Mm-hmm.
So, and I
Okay.
want them to be comfortable. So get themselves a comfortable chair and figure it out how to set up the computer. See you there.